we are going to understand the functions of HRIS, Human Resource Information System. So the functions are, I am going to tell some of the functions here. So first I will write some of the points, later I will explain you the functions. So recruitment information is one of the function. Next, personal administration information manpower planning information next training information next health information next appraisal information next payroll information personal research information Okay, so these all are the main functions of HRIS, Human Resource Information System. So here recruitment information is one of the major function of Human Resource Information System. In recruitment information, there are various various employee details regarding the recruitment, when he joined, so when he got the appointment letter. So these all things, whatever the recruitment details, how many levels he completed to join the company, and these all details will be stored in a particular database. So that is about recruitment information. So all the recruitment information can be manipulated, organized by the human resource manager using the HRIS software. So one of the function is recruitment information. So next, personal administration information. Personal administration information means, so all the employees of a particular organization is going to be come in a particular time and going in a particular time. What is his duties and what are his responsibilities and which platform they are working. So these all details are going to be stored in daily ways, and it is going to be make some reports after day wise, week wise and year wise also. There are various types of administration information. Personal administration means the employee administration information can be manipulated and maintained by the human resource manager using HRIS software. So it is also one of the function for the HRIS software. Next, manpower planning information. Manpower planning information is also one of the part in the organization. So the human resource information system, one of the function is manpower planning information. Here the particular organization having certain goals, what is the manpower for particular departments. They have several departments in a particular organization. Each particular department is having a set of rules and regulations. At the same time, they want a quality people. So those people or employee information is going to be stored in the manpower information. It is also one of the important function in HRIS, Human Resource Information System. Next, training information. So training information, there are two types of training informations are there. So for example, if you take any organization, the organization gives training to the employees. So for that particular purpose, what is the total amount they paid, and which platform they are going to train a particular person, those all details will be stored in a training information. So anytime or anywhere, so using this HRIS software, we can retrieve the training information of a particular organization. Next, health information. So each and every employee in a particular organization is used to maintain some health policies and health issues will be there. So they are maintaining some health policies. The organization itself is maintaining the health information regarding a particular person in an organization using the HRIS software. So it is also one of the function. So health information, that means all the persons, all the employees who are working in a particular organization, the organization responsibility is to store some health policies regarding the employees. At the same time, they are going to maintain the health information of each and every employee. So the information will be easily get using this particular function. Next, appraisal information. So appraisal information is also going to be get using the human resource information system. So this system tells that so appraisal, every year a particular employee is there, his performance is very good, then he is going to be give some appraisal. So that means he is going to be give some salary increment, and any other things is going to be given by the organization. All the information easily retrieved, stored and manipulated by the HR manager using HRIS, Human Resource Information System software. Next, payroll information. So if you go for payroll information, Human Resource Information System consisting of various payroll information regarding the salaries, the whole manpower salaries regarding a particular department or various departments can be stored and retrieved very easily. So the HR will tell us that what type of the entire payroll information of a particular employee, or a number of employees, or a department, a category of an employees can be stored and manipulated by the HRIS software. So another function is the payroll information. So next, the last thing is the personal information. Personal means employee research information. So generally, so the organizations is going to be, it may be an IT companies or an institutes or an educational institutes. The employers is going to be make some research oriented courses, and they participated and they get researched. So those all information will be stored and manipulated using the personal research information. So that is also going to be manipulated and maintained by the HR manager using HRIS software.